Hi, my name is Juan Sebastián Ayala, and today we're going to talk about how COVID-19 can help us achieve immunity against other pathogens that mainly affect our lungs. But how does this work? My partner is going to explain.
My name is Alejandro Franco, and today I'm going to talk to you about how viruses could have influenced humanity in his path of evolution. You might get the impression that all viruses are bad, but that's not true at all. Instead, some viruses have helped us, giving us great adaptations and also influencing our evolution. Human genomes have been passed over millions of years. Our ancestors had viruses that infected the sperm cell, and the virus was passed to the offspring, and so on. So nowadays, the retrovirus are part of us, making the 8% of our genetic code, influencing how our bodies work. For example, the retrovirus called HERP-K that helps embryos develop an immune system but being safe before they develop the antibodies. Also, other retrovirus help the placenta being attached to the fetus, but they also help us, the retrovirus, in our adult life. In fact, some researchers say that all our immune system pathways depend on the enzymes created by
My name is Juan Felipe Martínez, and I am a scientific research. And as you can see, I at home. From the pandemic. And I am going to explain how the coronavirus affects our body. Imagine if we do not have medicines to face this virus. Our only defense will be the immune system that is in our body. When immune system face a pathogen, the immune system have two ways. The first is called innate. It is the first to develop as a normally effective against two pathogens. The innate serves more as a gift. She communicates to the second bottle line where it's infect. The second line of battle is called the adaptive response. It produces antibodies that are capable of destroying infected parts. Facts about the adapted is remember what virus enter the body. This is due to the pathogen entering and touching some organisms, and that's why is the future. If you go back inside, you already know how to fight.
Hi, my name is Camilo Meléndez, and I collab with Juan Felipe in the research of how the coronavirus can help us gain immunity. This is how our body defends from the virus. First of all, the coronavirus is a new virus that can make it possible to re-affect someone who has already healed. Another possibility is that the virus mutates and is immune to the antibodies of the following year. The way in which the virus normally infects us through the respiratory zone seeks to enter our cells, but our body releases a chemical called interferon, which is a kind of blockade, but the virus can mutate so that this defense can be passed when the cell is infected. What our immune system does is a self-destruct mechanism of the cell so that the virus does not spread. But the problem is that the virus evolves and manages to corrupt this system and continue to spread. Our immune system releases another chemical to counteract this uncontrolled cell loss, which is causes of inflammation in the lungs, that in more drastic cases can spread through the body.
We have concluded that the coronavirus is a virus that can re-affect the host body. This means that the immune system does not have the ability to as quickly as possible to create new antibodies to defend itself from the virus that just mutated. There is something called conjugation in bacteria, where they pass DNA strands from one another. This could backfire, meaning that the antibodies could destroy several types of bacteria. There is also something called transformation, where bacteria take DNA strands that are roaming freely in a body. This could also backfire. Take for example that the DNA strand that is roaming freely is a coronavirus DNA strand that has just been killed. The bacteria could take this DNA strand and antibodies could help destroy this bacteria because they have already destroyed the coronavirus. So this could work for several types of diseases that attack the lungs, like pneumonia. Thank you for watching.